important thing about the Buddha nature, especially for very beginners, is I think to have some kind of feeling that there is a basic goodness. It's not kind of originally bad or original sin or something like that, but basic goodness. And this is something which I think is very important, especially like in Tibetan Buddhism. There are lots of mind training kind of teachings coming from Kadampa tradition, Adhishtipankara, and things like that. But the Gampopa wrote this book, Jewel Ornament of Liberation, which made a very, very different approach, where unlike any other this kind of mind training texts, started with Buddha nature, like the basis is the Buddha nature, and from there. So that became a very very special kind of way of approach for those people who are kind of following those traditions where the Buddha nature is taught right from the beginning and as a very basic thing. And so in the West, that I think makes a lot of sense. And even the Gelugpa masters like Lama Yeshe taught Jewel Ornament of Liberation a lot. And even Taiyab Sangye Rinpoche, Taiyab Sangye Rinpoche in Germany, Tibet House in Frankfurt. He actually invited me a few times to his centers to teach that part of Jewel Ornament of Liberation. So I think it is that's the main thing. I think that it starts to people start to understand and feel or look from the point of view of basic goodness.